Hi guys, my name is Naomi Song. I will show you why we do ice cream crunchy. We have crunchy all of making. Now I'll show you. First we have lalagyan ice cream. What we want flavor? That one guys, cherry or ice cream flavor. This one cherry. Maglagi mo tayo dito first. And now we want cookie or blueberry. Blueberry? Okay. Now now masarap na siyang ice cream. And lalagay tayong flavor sa blueberry. And now we have watermelon, you may cut and or stick flavor. This one, okay. Now we have lagi mo dito first. And we need kachara. Now delicious ice cream. And first I show you guys. We have notebook. And we have sticker. And meron tayong color. See? Now we cut this and for tape. And thank you. And guys, meron na order ditong tao. Yung best friend ko, only 3 pesos lang yan. Nabenta ko. Na it's so cute. Cinnamon. And meron ka madaming notebook. And bye-bye guys. I'll show you mamaya next month. And now guys, we have too many pencils. See guys? Only giving it my life. And now, we have little bit bigger drum. And I'll show you guys. Hantay mo. Now, we have a tiny laruan to game like this. And crab jaw, look, in eyes. And she have a thing. And first, you have to do this and jumping puzzles. See? Panalo ko! It's a 100! Bye-bye, guys!